G'day viewers and welcome to PB's Retro Restorations. Bit of a bonus video for you this week. You may recall in my holiday filler video that I did that I make model kits as well in between the die-cast stuff. And I was about to start on this one. It's a new release. It's just come out from Revell of Germany. It's been out before in other like Samba buses and that kind of thing. This is the first time I've done a T1 camper with all the proper interior. And I thought there might be some people who'd like to see what's inside the box because I couldn't find another unboxing video of this particular one, though my search skills aren't terribly good. My wife said, why don't you film this for your viewers? They might be interested in this as well. And I thought, okay, well, it might keep me motivated to keep moving forward on it. So today's just going to show you what's in the box. I may not update this one as regularly. I'll still have my weekly diecast videos, but hopefully there's something to be gained for you in this one. I'm not going to gibber over the top of it unless I, see something I need to tell you about. So let's get started. I lied, here comes the gibber. Now you get a sheet of decals that has all the patterns for the seats, so that'll make it easy for detailing. You even get the little curtain decals, so that's going to make things a lot easier. Now it said 189 pieces on the box and they weren't kidding, it just keeps coming and keeps coming out of the box. I'd advise you get a tray to sit all these in because I wasn't going to ever get it back in the box the way it came out. Tyres are good, they don't have any manufacturer on the sides, and the picture on the box is a white wall, so I was kind of disappointed they didn't have white walls on them, but I guess that's part of the fun of modelling, right? Right. I will jump in here to say these windows, which I believe are new mouldings, are moulded open, like the little louvered windows are moulded open, so that's a nice touch and they'll look good when they're in place. But shelves are hot top. this will be the same as all the other ones. Yeah, you should see the twist in this bumper. It's it's pretty bent. But also notice one of the other sprues, there's some other bumper bars on it, so I don't think that's going to be a problem. And even if it was, it'd probably just straighten out when you were building it. Now, this side of the body's got this bend in it, but it's pretty soft. I'm not surprised it's bent. And once I've glued it and building it, it should straighten out. I'm not bothered by it. It's one of those things. And the last sprue. Holes are more. That's some pretty tiny detailing. So there you go, that's what's inside the box. Hopefully I'll get started on it this weekend and I can give you small update bonus videos from here and there, just some little quick short ones to tide you over, and we'll see how it comes out in the end. I'm not a modelling expert, I'm not awful at it, but you know, we can all learn something by watching other people failing. So thanks for watching my first attempt at an unboxing video. I'm not sure how successful it's been. I hope to give you some more updates on this one as it progresses. I will see you all tomorrow for my regular diecast video, which this week is an Aston Martin. Just happens to be the same time we lost Sean Connery, so it's not a James Bond one, it's one of the earlier ones. But I hope you'll enjoy it. Click on one of these links if you'd like to watch some of my other videos while you're in the meantime, and click on my head if you'd like to subscribe. Thanks very much. I'll see you tomorrow.